Okay guys, know it's been a long time since I've been on, but had a little health issue problem. I may go into it later. I doubt it, but we got this little beauty in. Whoop. Trying to, there it goes. Okay. It's all sanded down. Most of the little doohickeys are done. We're changing the front and the rear window, so we're really not concerned about getting the window dirty. So the gentleman who owns that car is going to love it. We got a nice red finish on the car. I don't have a sample of it handy, but it'll look good. Second one is a 1971 or 72, I believe, El Camino. Again, we sanded it all down, took all the paint off it this time. It's a bit of a rough body on it, but it's fixable. We luckily only had to fix 2 panels on it, which are in the back of the car. Let's see if I can get a picture of them. Can't really see them now because they're all done in. Those are handmade panels. Ready to go. It's a pretty nice little car. It's got a heck of a motor in it. Damn, this thing runs like a scolded dog. That gentleman has about 4 or 5 cars. Those are beautiful cars. We got the motor out of the Bronco. Painted the firewall, which I'll show you on the next video. We're in the middle of putting in the vintage air system, putting it back, should I say, to where it was before. So he'll have all new air. He's got the serpentine system. We got to find the book for this because I can't figure out how this belt goes on. But I know there's a way it goes on. All right, guys. We ran this puppy yesterday. I'll put the video in there right about now. Ran pretty good for my car. That's going in the 49, the Ghost Rider car. Once I get that back in here, but right now we're in the middle of getting all these cars out of here, ready to go. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. Talk to you later.